last time you intentionally put yourself in a room with people that were more successful than you were? And I'm going to use the term here, materially successful. Everybody. Now, I was invited, I'm so grateful. Oh my God, I can't tell you how excited I was. I honestly was. Into a mastermind with some developers and investors and builders. And I love that they saw that I had value to contribute to them in this group. So I was so fucking excited to go. So I went, and you know, it was very interesting. And so I used these things as barometers for me all the time in terms of my growth. And I was afraid that, you know, what I would say, honestly, I think I was more afraid of anything than being stupid, looking stupid, sounding stupid, not belonging there. Oh, there it is, that I didn't belong there. That's what I was afraid of. Really going to be tapping, EFT on tapping. So I'm just going to give you a little heads up right now. So you know where that really comes from. So I'm going to encourage you to consider using friction. Use your insecurities. Use the things that flare up for you. Instead of ignoring them, avoiding them, pushing them away, having a drink, investigate. So I know myself well enough to I know what belonging, what that means is because I was Black, I was poor, and I felt worthless, and I never felt like I belonged socioeconomically ever, and I didn't feel like I belonged because I was Black. When you have that conscious self-awareness and you have a tool, is that you can heal it. So when these triggers come up that limit me, right, that cripple me in some, what an amazing opportunity for me to then go back and actually do EFT, emotional freedom technique, on those insecurities. So that 12-year-old me or that 7-year-old me or that 16-year-old me isn't the one that is running the show. So I'm going to encourage you to consider your limitations. So you just got to be able to be honest with yourself, number one. So when you come up to something that confronts you and it shrinks you, the part of you that tells you you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, you're not rich enough, you're not fit enough, you're just whatever you're not enough of. Right? Utilize that. First, you got to gain the awareness of what it is. And then secondly, once you have that awareness, what a liberating opportunity to use those, because what you will do is take total control of you moving forward. So instead of that part of you being triggered and shutting you down, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to work on it. So the next time I'm in an environment like that, because I'm always going to be in environments because I'm always up leveling where people are better than me. I love it. That isn't running the show, and that the full, strong, authentic part of the best of who I am can really take center stage.